So tell me a little bit about what's going on, what's bothering you.
So getting a lot of tightness in like my shoulder and neck area. I'm sitting on the computer like probably like 4 or 5 hours a day.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. And then when I'm sleeping on my side, like a lot of times, like at night I sleep on my side, and a lot of times I'll have like some tightness in my hip and then my neck. So mostly the problem's in my neck and in my shoulders, but then sometimes like in my
A little bit in the lower back too.
Yeah, a little bit in the lower back.
Okay. Let's go ahead and go face down, that way we can get everything checked out.
Okay. Arms right here.
So let's bring the arms down to the armrest here. It's right under the face paper there, right there. I'm just gonna feel from the neck down to the lower back first. Yeah, definitely some tightness up top here, right side, a little bit in the mid back through here.
Yeah.
And a little bit on that lower right side and through here. Slide down on the table just a little bit for me. That's good right there. So you're gonna feel this piece pop up just like that. I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure in a few spots and it's just gonna drop like that, okay? A few here. Pressure here. Take a big breath in for me. Blow it all the way out. Okay. Go ahead and lay on your side facing me this way. Just like this. Yeah, perfect right there. We're gonna bring that top leg up.
Okay.
Keep that bottom one nice and straight for me. You're gonna take a big breath in, blow that breath all the way out. Roll to the other side for me.
That one got me.
Yeah, that was good. Same thing over here. You're gonna bring that top leg up right there. I'm gonna bring you a little closer to the edge. You're gonna take a big breath in, you're gonna blow it all the way out. Good. On your back for me. All right. Give yourself a big tight hug. Yeah, perfect, just like that. Big breath in, all the way out. One more, a little lower, big breath in, all the way out. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, there's more in the
There's
lower.
a lot, yeah. Now you've had your neck adjusted before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start on the lower left. I'm going to bring the head all the way to the side here, a little pressure. Got one more on the right up top.
That's a
Okay.
good one. Wow.
I'll help you sit up. Go ahead and swing your legs over to the wall there. And go ahead and take the shirt off. We're going to work on the muscles up top a little bit.
Yeah, I already feel like a lot more loose in the
Awesome.
neck and shoulders.
Okay.
So what exactly is this thing again?
So this will help loosen up all the tight muscles that you have, especially up top in the neck, in the trap area here, and then also down through the mid back. We're going to start off nice and light just to get all the muscles warmed up. This will help ease some of the tension that you get from sitting for prolonged periods of time like you do with the computer and things like that.
Yeah, I'm normally like clawing back there to try to loosen those muscles up.
Well, this will definitely help a little bit. You just let me know if there's any soreness or anything. okay so far?
Yeah. And these are the traps, right?
Yeah. They run from the base of the skull out to the shoulder here, and about halfway down the mid back there. So we're gonna work all the way in through here.
Yeah, they're pretty much tight the whole entire way down.
Okay.
I feel like it's like wrapped around the shoulder blade, just
Okay.
tightness.
Definitely gonna work all those guys out today. Yeah, definitely getting a little red on both sides here already.
That's a good thing.
Just promoting blood flow, helping break up all those trigger points, especially right around the shoulder blade and through here.
Yeah, I feel like a knot right there.
Yeah, right in here. Just gonna work these guys out. And our goal is not the redness, that's just a side effect of the muscle scraping. Okay, we're gonna work the bigger tool here up top. This one's a little bit more intense, so if it's too much, you just let me know.
Okay. Feels good. Yeah, try to roll on it with like a foam roller, but
Okay.
it helps, but I feel like this is getting like deeper,
bit deeper, yeah.
deeper into the actual muscles. Yeah. This is called muscle scraping.
So it's called Instrument Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization, or IASTM
Okay.
for short. Popular technique or brand name is Graston, but you can't use their name unless you take their course, so we use the other acronym.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely getting some redness right in between the shoulder blades here and up top,
Yeah.
right where you have all the knots. Okay, work on the other side here.
Yeah, I feel like since I'm always on the computer, I gotta stay on top of this stuff because it just
You do.
tightens right back up when I go back.
Yeah. Most of the people I see do work desk jobs, so you're pretty spot on with that. Oh, nice trigger point right in through here.
Yeah. I'm like leaning into it if it's
Mhm.
okay. Is this kind of similar to cupping?
Pretty similar, a little bit different cupping. There's two forms of cupping, dry and wet cupping.
Okay.
We're gonna compare wet cupping, it's more similar to that. Well, wet cupping is more bloodletting, so you can slide the cups around with massage oil, so it's more similar to that. Wet cupping it's a different animal.
Okay.
We're gonna work a little bit more up top here because you're getting pretty red.
How long do you think the redness will last?
Usually it lasts 4 to 5 days, no
Okay.
longer than about a week.
Okay.
So
Yeah, it
Should
doesn't
be
hurt at
gone.
all. It just actually feels really good.
yeah, it should be gone in about a week. So, all right, let's go ahead and get you cleaned up here. All right, go ahead and put your shirt back on.
Feels good.
take a few steps around, kind of move around a little bit, see how everything feels.
I feel like opened up.
Feel much more loosened up now?
Yeah, I feel like that was like the reverse of what I'm normally doing.
Most of the time you're going to be hunched over a little bit, so it'll kind of open you up.
Yeah.
And allow you to feel like you can breathe a little bit better too.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Awesome. All right, man.
Awesome, man.